Howdy, y'all. It's taste test time. We've got something different. Turkey Creek dill pickle flavored chicharrones, fried pork skin. Yum. Hope I'm sitting where you can see me. Can you see me? Let's give them a try, shall we? Where was I? I was at the dollar store, and they had these, and I just had to know. They smell like dill pickle. They look like pork skins. They smell like dill pickle. That particular piece tasted a little stale, to be honest. And not getting a lot of dill. A little disappointed. Expected a little more of it, salt and vinegary. I've had salt and vinegar pork rinds, and they're good if you like them. That's kind of more what I was expecting. This, that piece tasted fresher, but not picking up much dill flavoring at all. It's supposed to have vinegar powder, and I guess they just sprinkled it on there, and this bag got a little light in the seasoning department, I guess. Very, very light. There was some salt in that bite. Maybe I should turn it upside down and eat from the bottom. Maybe that's where all the seasoning is. Like I said, it smells like dill pickle. That first piece tasted stale. Now it's tasting like a mediocre quality pork skin. So, disappointed. Maybe one day I'll come across a different flavored dill pickle flavored pork skins. In the meantime, y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!